Alright, so these are all the components that it comes with. We just took it out of the box. Here are the tools that are included. All the screws. Some of the wood screws are separate. Here is the power and the control. Right here we have the sidebars, the feet, the crossbars. Over there we have the legs, and right here is the shaft. So the first step is to adjust the crossbar the width that we need it. In this case, we're just going to estimate, but you would actually measure the tabletop and adjust accordingly. So right now we're just going to measure it, we're just going to eyeball it, and then put the M6 screws in here. So now we're going to attach the legs. First we do the main leg, that's the one with the motor, if you have a single motor. The motor is going to face inward. So just put this on top, align it up with the holes, and screw it in. Okay, so when we put the secondary one, make sure that the blue part is facing towards the inside, so towards the other leg. Okay, so now we attach the feet and make sure that the little rubber parts are facing downward, or upward in this case, and align it. Now you get your longer 8 screws, and same thing, align it, screw it in. Okay, now we flipped it over. Remember that the blue part should be facing the part with the motor. Once you make sure you have that aligned, we add the sidebars. So line the holes, the rubber buffers onto here, and one on the other side. Okay, now this is the most difficult part. This is the drive shaft that's going to go from the motor to the other side. It has a female end and a male end. The way you know that is if you peek through the holes, you'll see one side has like a plastic and the other one has a metal bar. So you would have to unscrew it to pull it out. Now you pull it out just enough so you can have enough slack to go all the way through this side. Make sure to tighten that. Now we like to put this part through first. You might have to wiggle it a little bit. Okay. And make sure that it's going in here, wiggle it, and make sure there's about a finger-inch of a gap right there. Okay, now when you put the bar, make sure that it goes all the way through. See, it's peeking on the other side. When that's done, make sure to tighten both sides. Okay. Alright, so we're going to skip the part where we install the tabletop and get straight to the other part. So this is self-explanatory. Power cord goes in here, and the control board goes on the other side. And then here attaches to the motor. And plug this into the wall. Okay, now I'm going to show you how the memory works. Say, for example, you move this and this is the perfect height for your first sitting. So you push M, hold it for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see this blinking. You can do it 1, 2, 3, or 4. In this case, we're going to push 1. And now it's saved it as a memory for number 1. So if I ever move this, your kids move it, and say the setting's not exactly where you left it, you push that 1, and it's going to go back to the exact place you set it. Same thing for 1, 2, 3, and 4.